In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a channel in Microsoft Teams, an essential skill for organizing effective communication within your team. Whether you're managing projects or collaborating on research, having the right channels in place can make all the difference. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to Microsoft Teams. You can do this by opening your web browser and heading over to the Microsoft Teams website. For those using the desktop app, simply launch it from your Start menu or Applications folder. If you're new to Teams, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the Teams interface, a centralized hub for collaboration featuring tabs and teams you may have previously set up. Next, locate the Communities option on the left-hand sidebar. It's important to explore this area because it's where you'll manage the spaces your team uses to collaborate, often centered around specific projects or themes. Clicking on Communities will bring up a list of all the communities you're a part of, giving you an overview and access to your current channels. Now we're moving on to creating a new channel. Within the Communities tab, you'll see an option labeled Add Channel. Go ahead and click on that. This feature allows you to create a focused environment for specific topics or projects, keeping your main community organized and clutter-free. It's a simple but powerful aspect of team organization. Once you've clicked on Add Channel, you'll be prompted to type in a channel name. At this stage, it's important to consider a name that is clear and indicative of the channel's purpose. For example, if your channel is for discussing marketing strategies, a name like Marketing Tactics provides clarity and helps other team members quickly understand what conversations or content to expect here. After you've decided on and typed in the channel name, it's time to finalize everything by clicking on the Add button, and just like that, your new channel is created and ready to use. As you begin filling it with content and conversation, you'll notice how it becomes a central point for specific topics, boosting your team's efficiency and communication. So, to recap, you start by accessing Microsoft Teams and navigating to Communities. Then click on Add Channel, input your channel name with care, and finally click Add to complete the process. It's a straightforward sequence that, when done thoughtfully, can significantly enhance your team's collaboration capabilities. Thank you for watching this tutorial on creating channels in Microsoft Teams. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips to optimize your workflow in Microsoft Teams and other productivity platforms. Happy team building!